A very good morning to everyone. On behalf of Expin, the Finance Committee of XIMB, we extend a warm welcome to the esteemed panel of speakers, faculty members, guests and our dear students. Phenomics is the flagship event of Expin. It is a national level panel discussion event which brings together eminent personalities from academics, corporate sector and the government sector with the aim of stimulating discussion of contemporary issues related to finance and economics.
Every year, the discussion is based on a central theme that is chosen based on a critical issue that is relevant to the industry in the current scenario. The theme this year for Phenomics is preventing the next crisis, the nexus between the financial markets, financial institutions and the central banks. We have been facing crises like the Eurozone crisis, preceded by the subprime crisis, and these crises tend to linger on. It is high time that we take initiatives towards reshaping the global financial system and prevent the next crisis. Economy functions in a cyclic manner. Recessions are followed by periods of growth, and the impact and duration of these events depends on the health of the economy. Sometimes these recessions transform into crises. To avoid the occurrence of a crisis, we need to understand better the nexus between the financial market, financial institutions and the central banks.
Proceeding with the summit, we, the members of Team Expin, are honored to have among us renowned personalities from the world of finance. It is our privilege to introduce these personalities who with their dedication, devotion and hard work have led a path for us to follow. Dr. Subhada Rao is the Chief Economist at Yes Bank and it is our pleasure to have her with us today. She is responsible for the economic knowledge, banking, providing macroeconomic research outlook at the bank. She is a member of Yes Bank's Assets and Liabilities Committee. She brings with her 19 years of rich experience of academia and industry where she has pioneered research designed geared to facilitate business decisions. Prior to joining Yes Bank, she has worked with Kotak Institutional Equities as Chief Economist, with Bank of Baroda as Economist with Risk Manager, and as Head Economic Advisor at CRISIL Advisory Services. She has also served as Chief Economist with Times Time. She began her career in the banking with ICICI Bank in their planning and treasury department after completing a PhD in economics from the University of Mumbai. Dr. Subhada is an active member of the Economics Committee of Industry Associations and is currently Chairman of Economics Committee of Bombay Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Her views are often aired on domestic and international electronic and print media. We welcome you, ma'am.
We take pride in introducing Mr. Srinivas Rao, Director at Deutsche Bank. He graduated from ISM Dhanbad and is an esteemed alumnus of the batch 95-97 and specialized in finance. He started his career at HSBC as equity analyst and progressed into corporate finance at Reliance Communications involved in regulatory and license issues. He was a lead analyst at Finance Securities and joined Deutsche Bank as Vice President looking into telecom and automotive research before becoming director at Deutsche Bank. To add to his skills, he is a CFA charter holder. We welcome you, sir.
We welcome Mr. Manoj Swain, Chief Executive Officer, Morgan Stanley India Primary Dealer. He is one of our esteemed alumni of the batch 95-97 and specialized in finance. Prior to being appointed as CEO of Morgan Stanley India PD, he was involved with Standard Chartered Bank for 7 years as the Director and Head of Fixed Income Trading. We welcome you, sir.
I take immense pleasure to introduce Mr. Ashutosh Tripathi, Vice President and Associate General. He has an enriching career experience in investment banking and capital markets IT system delivery and support. He graduated from NIT Calicut and is an esteemed alumnus of the batch 99-2001, specializing in finance and systems. He started his career as business analyst in Polaris Software, continuing at Fidelity, working on mutual fund accounting and record-keeping systems. He worked on equities trading platform at iNotex Technologies. He joined Societe Generale as project manager, working on IT systems development, and ascended the corporate ladder to become the vice president and is responsible for developing transversal banking systems. We welcome you, sir.
Mr. B.N. South is a science graduate from Utkal University. He joined SEBI in 1996 and has worked with Eastern Regional Office and Head Office handling various functions of SEBI, which include investigations, enforcement, inception and registration. He is closely associated with formulation of KYC. He is presently looking after HR functions of SEBI. We welcome you, sir. Now, I would request the esteemed members of the panel and the faculty to light the lamp and inaugurate the summit. Thank you, members.
We welcome Dr. Ramana and esteemed faculty at EXA-MD with teaching interest in financial statement analysis, IFRS and strategic management accounting. He has numerous publications to his credit and is on the editorial board, Journal of Accounting and Auditing, ICFAI publication. We request sir to take over with the further proceeding and also take this opportunity to launch the monthly magazine Plutos. I request our panel members to unveil the X-Win monthly magazine Plutos. Through Plutos, we intend to inspire and sensitize the prospective managers towards inclusive and sustainable growth. We intend to generate gender awareness and mold young minds through debate, discussion, and participative forums.
Now we request Dr. Ramana to take up with the further proceedings.